Welcome to Triton Technical Support Series, replacing the NMD Note Feeder. First, let's remove the cassette from the channel that we will be working on. Before we remove the cables, let's take a closer look at the connection point on the NFC board. Here we have the NFC data cable plug, and there is the small yellow plug, which is the NFC lock motor power plug. Okay, let's now remove the plugs from the NFC board. First, I'm removing the data cable, and then I will unplug the lock motor cable. And now that we have those cables unplugged, let's remove the wires from the molded in clips that are on the side of the channel. Please pay special care to the following instructions. The plastic retainers that hold the feeder into place are easily broken if pressed too hard or pried in an incorrect manner. If broken, the note feeder will not operate correctly. First, I'd like to point out the note feeder retaining clips. There are two clips on each side of the back end of the channel. Let's take a closer look at the retainers. For the inside, you can see where the clips hold the note feeder in place. Next, let's open the access hatches on the feeder that's being removed, and also the one just above it. Squeeze the tabs to open and release. Here I will detach the first side of the feeder unit. Notice how I will put backwards pressure on the feed unit while gently pressing outward on the retaining tabs. The same process as we used on the opposite side can be used here. Note how on this side I use the access door to put backwards pressure on the feed unit. You could use either method to put pressure on the feed unit. We now have the note feeder detached and hanging. Remove the drive belt from the gear and then feed the cable out of the chassis. Let's now install the new note feeder. First, we will need to feed the data cable through the opening in the chassis, and then we will reconnect the drive belt to the gear. Here we have a better view of that belt on that gear. Continue to take the note feeder and gently and evenly press both sides into the channel. You'll have pressed the feeder in far enough when all of the retainers have clicked back into their position. Firmly close all the remaining access hatches on the dispenser, making sure that all the latches have been seated and are latched. Now dress in and connect the cabling. First, run the motor power cable through the wire management on the channel side. I want to show you up close the connection points again on the NFC board. Be very careful not to bend any of the pins when you plug back in. Okay, let's get that lock power cable plugged in. And then let's run the data cable through the management and plug it into the NFC board. And now to complete the install, replace the cassette back into the channel. This completes the NMD Note Feeder replacement.